kalokohan since na lumusot na po kayo ng committee report containing the articles of impeachment. How ready is the Senate kung sakasakaling this week po?
Well, we have been doing our best to be ready for whatever decisions or whatever consequences arise. So whether they vote early, they vote later, they reject it or they approve it, the Senate will do its job.
Pero kasi yung pinag-usapan natin SP last week, you are ready for May 11. But for this week, are you ready kung kanya po i-transmit?
Yes, we can. We can be ready for that.
SP, pa-discuss lang kami, sorry Pag po ba i-transmit na dito, diretso trial na?
Hindi.
Pagka-convene, paano po mangyayari?
You see, that is the big difference of the misinterpretation of some people. Ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court, at tama yung Supreme Court sa sinasabi nila na the impeachment itself is yes, forthwith, but within reasonable time. Okay? What do they mean? They mean within reasonable time yung trial. The trial proper. You cannot forthwith na the day it is transmitted, forthwith, I plan to convene the impeachment court. I convene only. Pero the trial proper will take some time because may mga preparation siya. We will be sending the impeached official a copy of the articles of impeachment. We will receive it after a number of days, and we will ask the prosecution of the impeached official their response. Diba? And then we go into pre-trial. And then the trial proper after everything is all set. So, yun yung sinasabi ng Supreme Court na within reasonable time. No, not the convening. The convening is, as far as the Constitution is concerned, forthwith. And my interpretation is immediately.
So, between the trial and the convening of the impeachment court, how long will be the pre-trial, the submissions, the summons?
It will it will all depend on the submissions. It all depend on that.
And then kasama ba sa inyong pinaghahandaan yung possibility na may pag-attempt na harangin yung pag-start ng pag-convene ng...
Well, not exactly kung ano pa man yung sinasabi ninyo, baka ganito, baka basta we'll be ready for anything. We will be ready for any eventuality. And I'm speaking for most of the members of the Senate.
So hindi nyo rule out yung possibility, sir, na may mag-attempt?
As I said, we'll be ready for anything. Ayokong magbanggit nung sinabi mong gano'n sapagkat hindi galing sa akin.
Sir, sabi ni Senator Robin, trabaho nilang i-oppose yung pag-convene ng impeachment court. So definitely they will oppose.
Then, as I said, we will be ready for any eventuality.
But what happens when they oppose? Are you gonna vote na ma-convene? Ano po ang...
Pwede ba magkagustuhan
Most
pa rin,
probably.
sir?
Now, ang problema kasi, kaya ko iniiwasan yung mga ganyan. As of now, everything is speculative.
Yeah.
So, mahirap mag-speculate. Mag-speculate tayo ng ganito at ganyan-ganyan, tapos hindi naman mangyayari. So, useless na.
Pero sir,
Hintayin na lang natin na let's be a little more patient.
Pero sir, mandated kayo na mag-convene sa impeachment court at mag-trial, hindi na dapat pagdebatehan pa whether you go to trial or hindi.
Sundin natin ang konstitusyon. Ganun kasimple ang
Which
usapan.
is, sir,
Which is to convene.
and conduct trial.
Once we receive the articles of impeachment, we must convene as an impeachment court. That is part of our work. That is part of our job as
Wala nang debate doon, sir.
Senate. Oo.
Kaya SP, pag-convene po, pwede po kayo unilaterally or dapat consensus din ng mga
Automatic yun eh. I will bring it into the plenary, and therefore it will be the action of the Senate as a whole. I will merely be the catalyst or I will be the initiative to bring it to the floor. Kasi sa aming padadala yan eh. Pag pinadala sa Senate yan, it's the Senate President that receives it.
Is there a need to vote para mag-convene o dapat automatic?
Based on the Constitution, automatic yun. Trabaho namin yun.
Kahit may mag-oppose,
Unless may automatic until reversed, sir.
Kahit na anong sabihin ng iba, Ang importante ron, na sinasabi ng konstitusyon, ay kami, pag natanggap ang articles of impeachment, we convene into an impeachment court. Ganun ang sinasabi. So whatever thinking others have, we'll just have to wait.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, SB.